Hi, this is Mrs. Beck. When we are at school, we go through these directions on how to allow Flash Player to work on your computer or on your Chromebook. But I thought, well, you guys are at home, maybe those directions aren't quite as fresh in your memory. So here's a little review. If you get to a site that requires Adobe Flash and it says it's blocked, look up in the corner for the puzzle piece. If you click on it, we're going to click on the Manage. This is going to open your site settings. Look where it says block sites from running Flash. We are going to click on the toggle switch to turn it on. Then you're going to X out of the tab. You'll see that you still have your two tabs out here. If you X out of that tab, we now need to refresh this page. So if we go up to the refresh button up on the left to reload it, now it says click to enable Adobe Flash Player. So if you come to a site that says this, if we click on that piece, up in the corner then it'll ask if you want to allow or block it. We are going to say allow. Once you have done that, the site should work and you should be good to go. Hope that helps.